Maharashtra Assembly poll results show big leads for BJP-led Mahayuti in early trends. This time, some big names are in the fray. Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar are leading from the leading alliance, with Aditya Thackeray, Nana Patole and Sharad Pawar's nephew Rohit Pawar are on the ticket. Ajit Pawar is leading in Baramati, a stronghold of Sharad Pawar, but nurtured by his nephew turned rival who walked away with the party symbol. Senior Pawar's 32-year-old grandson, Yugendra Pawar, is on the ticket against Ajit. So it's a Pawar versus Pawar, and a win for Ajit would have a big stamp of acceptance for the incumbent Deputy CM Ajit Pawar. CM Eknath Shinde is leading in the Kopri Panchpakhri Assembly seat, but the margin of win will be under scrutiny. He is expected to win with a big margin. BJP stalwart, architect of Mahayuti's comeback to power with breakaway Shiv Sena and NCP, Devendra Fadnavis is contesting from the Nagpur southwest. The former CM and incumbent Deputy CM is expected to win this seat easily, though margin is to be watched out for. Congress Maharashtra President Nana Patole is leading by a slim margin from the Sakole seat. He has been one of the claimants for the CM-ship if the MVA crosses the magic mark of 145. NCP leader and Ajit Pawar's surprise nominee Nawab Malik trails in Mankhurd. Samajwadi Party's Abu Asim Azmi leads this seat, and AIMIM's Atiq Ahmed is in the second position. Slain leader Baba Siddiqui's son Zishan Siddiqui leads in the Wandre East Assembly in Mumbai, who got the Ajit Pawar-led NCP ticket.